So, okay, on today's episode of When Keeping It Independent Gets Funky, this is my new place. I was so frustrated. I'm losing a lot of square footage, but I'm not here for the apartment. I'm here for the location. This is my new closet. I have this lovely thing in the corner that does not make any sense, but it's taking up space. I don't know where I'm going to put my Christmas decorations. There are some modern doors here, though, like the barn style sliding doors. If you guys know who Shirley B is, Shirley Beating, my place is so much like hers. I do get a washer and dryer, but no place to put my dirty clothes. That's the only closet is in the bedroom. Bathroom is very modern. I am gonna have to put, I do like this shower. I didn't even notice this. I do like this shower. I'm not gonna show myself. Big mirror. I don't like this, but this is a rental, not my forever home. Just making a change. And then this is all the space that I get. It is tiny, it is small. There is a nest for thermostat, kitchen all along one wall. And then this is my view. Now, I do like my view. That's just like a little fountain thing. And then there's some highway over there. I'm not really worried about people like robbing me or anything because there's like cameras everywhere and it's like Fort Knox just to get in here. You guys know I don't have a TV, but it looks like that my stand is gonna have to go on that wall. Place is so advanced. This is the key to the door. It's a chip. You know, you have to have a buzzer and a chip key. So yeah, this is my new digs. I don't know what I'm gonna do in here furniture wise. I'm trying to sell some things. I'm even thinking about selling my sofa. As unique as it is, but yeah, I also want to put this video up for myself because I want to hang white curtains there. Yeah, that's my view. I'm gonna claim this little tree as my palm tree. Doesn't he look so nice? Stay alive little tree, because I can't keep anything alive. Guys, what color should I do in here? I really don't like the molding. I freaking hate the molding color. Or the wall color. Like, I want to come in here and paint it white. I'm so stressed out because I'm doing everything by myself, no help whatsoever. So even when the movers come, I've got to get in front of them. You know what I mean? So it's just, I'm kind of depressed right now. So it's not exciting. This room is a lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be. So there's not going to be a lot of things that can go in here. Oh, there is a cable outlet there. So I'm kind of filming this just so like when I look back on it, like, because I'm in the process of listing things on Craigslist. Yeah, all about the view. I do not want to block the windows. I want that to stay nice and airy. This is as empty as it will ever be. Don't try to stop me. You will probably be arrested. Just telling you that now. That is after you get the black woman beat down. The black woman that works way too hard. Okay? Yeah, I got to smile this morning because I'm totally ticked off of everything I had to go through this morning. It is Saturday. I stink. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. And I only took one thing out of my car. Putting things into my car was a hassle. I'm not going to whine to you guys with my woes, but thank you so much for watching. Bye. Real life, please pray.